Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we know you might be keen to get up, but please stay seated for a bit longer until the seatbelt signs have been turned off. And stay buckled up when you're in your seat.
Don't forget, smoking and vaping are not allowed in any part of the plane, including the toilets. And be careful when opening overhead lockers, as things might have moved around.
It won't be long until we deliver you our famously friendly in-flight service. If you've pre-ordered a hot meal, we'll serve you first. In the meantime, take a look at the tasty treats in our menu. We've got loads on offer, so see what takes your fancy, and we'll be with you soon.
Gents, boys and girls, hello from the flight deck. As promised, just a little update before we start our descent down into Manchester. As you may tell, if you look out the window, that is us having completed the trip across the channel. Since us coasting in on the south coast, there's a view on the left hand side, cracking views of the Isle of Wight, Southampton, Portsmouth. Then on the right hand side, views along the south coast there towards Brighton, Goodwood. We do hope you had a wonderful holiday, and we'd also just like to wish you a very safe onward journey home. Thanks from us and Becky and all the crew, and we look forward to seeing you on board another Gen2.com holidays flight sometime in the future. Thank you.
seated and buckled up until the seatbelt sign is turned off.
When you do get up to go, please make sure you've got everything with you. And take care when you open the overhead lockers, as some things may have moved during the flight. Just so you know, you're not allowed to smoke or vape on the way to the terminal or in the terminal itself.
If you have any rubbish, please can you also hand this off to your cabin crew, as the aircraft is going back out to Tenerife in the next hour. If you're waiting for special assistance, please remain seated until everybody has disembarked the aircraft and the crew can be of further assistance to you. Right, thank you again for flying with Jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays, and we hope you have a safe onward journey.